The future can be terrifying, especially if you aren't in control of your own destiny. But right now, manufacturers have the opportunity to embrace the future, to move ahead with optimism and to control their own destiny. The factory of the future is emerging, with the days of linear value chains rapidly disappearing. Moving forward, manufacturers will deploy new technologies, enabling a connected ecosystem across the manufacturer's entire value chain. The factory of the future leverages the latest advancements in technology, including Internet of Things, edge computing, advanced analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, mixed reality, and next-generation networks like private 5G. The adoption of these integrated technology solutions will enable manufacturers to gain new insights into the operations of their factory floors, inbound suppliers, warehouse operations, distributors, and the consumer of their products. As an example, with sensors and devices deployed to the factory floor and data collected from those devices, that data can then be analyzed to uncover new insights that drive predictive maintenance and deliver unprecedented uptime. At the same time, data collected from customers on how products are being used can be analyzed to help inform how the product is performing and potentially drive the next iteration of product innovation. These advanced insights will provide companies with the ability to respond in real time to changing customer demands or behaviors and evolve their products, manufacturing processes, and supply chain operations to meet the ever-evolving market demand. Just consider the impact you could have by connecting an asset into that ecosystem. You could monitor your casting or milling or press machines for excessive vibration, setting automated controls that will take immediate action based on the predicted impact of the issue. Let's say the vibrations are deemed outside of the defined limitations. Automated triggers can take action and shut down the machine and send signals down the line to ensure blockages do not occur. Workflows are immediately generated for maintenance. Operations receives near real-time insights on the root cause of the issue and potential remedies. If the stoppage is significant, triggers and notifications can be automatically initiated up the supply chain to the suppliers and down the line to potential customers. And all of this can happen with very limited human interaction. To get started, manufacturers need to evaluate the value drivers for change and formulate a strategy and roadmap for execution. Your value drivers may be improve product quality, reduce product waste, drive operational efficiency, improve workforce safety, or to reduce overall operational costs. From there, you determine which value enablers, like the technologies I described earlier, will help you to achieve your overall business objective and design a solution for scale. The enabling technologies for the factory of the future are here now, and manufacturers need to get started if they want to maintain competitive advantage and remain leaders in their respective markets. It's time to get started and take control of your own destiny.